Today, the entire world, especially the Catholic, celebrate this what we call the Immaculate Conception. This is a key doctrine po sa mga Katoliko, no? This is refers to the belief that the Virgin Mother Mary was conceived without original sin. This is in preparation. Nung nakita ng simbahan, ito po ay preparation na kasi ipanganak niya si Jesus, dapat din siya ay banal, free from sin. Because it is very ridiculous na si Jesus ay papasok sa tiyan ng ina na may bahid ng kasalanan. You know, Jesus is pure God and holy, the third Godhead of the Trinity. And it will never be happen. But if that is your belief, that the Blessed Mother Mary is like us, inherit the sin that committed from our parents, then you ridicule God, you mock God, kaya delikado kayong mga taga-ibang sekta. Kaya kaming mga Katoliko, kami naniniwala na siya po ay walang bahid ng kasalanan. Hindi pwede mananahan si Jesus sa tiyan ni Maria na may bahid or inherited sin that could never be happen. Or else, Mary will die. No. That's why it was officially defined as a church dogma in 1854 by Pope Pius IX. No. Na ito ang dogma natin. Because naintindihan ng simbahan na dapat banal. Walang bahid ng kasalanan si Maria kasi ang lalabas sa kanyang from her womb is pure and holy. That could be found in the book of Luke chapter 1 verse 28, that the angel Gabriel declared that you Mary full of grace, no? Yun sinasabi niya, blessed are you amongst women, ganon, and blessed. Hail Mary full of grace, the Lord is with you, ganon. So it's very clear, and we have to believe and receive it. Otherwise, you insult God. Thank you.